What's up, people? Elvis here from Elvis Uptown blogspot.com. Live day trading videos. Today is August 11, 2011. As always, to get the same watch list I use in my videos, just hit up the blog here in the morning. It's posted up between 8:20 and 8:40 a.m. To keep up to date, use the subscribe buttons here. I am on Facebook. If you guys use Facebook a lot, just subscribe to me on Facebook, also Twitter. I'm on there. Anyway, I'll be back when the market opens up, which will be in about 15 minutes. And I haven't got a video out for you guys because Lightspeed seem to have disabled trading accounts for about over the past week. I was working last Friday, but my video kind of cut out. But I will probably post that one up anyway. Alright, got my first trade going here. Short JPMorgan, sell signal. Got a really nice entry at 14. I'm already up over 10 cents, over 15 even, so it's a free trade. Very whippy. My stop is 1 penny above the high. So risking just 10 cents. Anyway, I'll update. Our market's flush in here. See if I could get a fill at 87. I'm thinking it's gonna pop down to this moving average down here. I believe that's the fast line. So coming down to 80. Just got my first fill at 87. See if we get that fill at 81. And there it goes. And I'm going to cover the rest right there, just because it touched that moving average. So nice trade off the open, 33 cents. And on to the next. Nice first trade, you know, confidence builder as I always talk about that. And I've been looking at these gold stocks. AVX, they've been pretty much getting flushed out, so I'm waiting for some sort of capitulation setup on them. This NEM is holding up. FCX too. ABX is the one. This one's getting slammed. I don't know. Did it have earnings today or what? I don't think so. No. Anyway, I'll be back with something else. Like I said, watching for these. Probably this one. This ABX is really getting slammed. It's like what they call an elevator shaft. So should also be getting a buy signal soon. Probably play that buy signal. You know what? Just bought a little bit right here. It already crossed the 50% retracement line yesterday. It's between the 50% retracement and yesterday's low. It's pretty much right there. So that's why I got in. I'm gonna give it to the low. So my stop here is 87. So far it's working pretty nice. My target is as soon as it hits this moving average here, so we could get a nice 40 cents out of this trade. That's profit potential. Market's jumping back up. I don't know on volume or what. Not even much volume, but definitely not selling anymore. Anyway, I'll update you guys. Let's see if we could get back up to that 40 area, or possibly even a quarter. Alright, just took the trade off and broke my 10 cent profit profit mark, so I didn't even get 10 cents out of it. I believe I got 5, but either way, we even did get a buy signal printed here, so could actually get some shares right here. I actually should have stayed in that trade just because the buy signal printed. I didn't really realize, but I'm staying. I got back in basically, and I'm gonna follow my rules again right now. Quickly up 15, and I'll take mine at a 20-cent profit, and right now I'll flat it at 08. Strong tick reading right now. Market's pushing higher. See some stocks making new lows, but mostly new highs. Anyway, I'll update. Alright, we got our 20 cents here. Let's see if it pushes just a little higher. And I'll take mine there. I got 18 cents. So added on to there. Total 2 trades made 20 cents. Probably goes higher. Capitulates back up to this 30 area, but just following my rules and just protecting profits. Maybe if it pulls back into 96, 90, 97, I'll get back in, put the stop rate back on the low, and take some more money out of the stock. All right, trying some of this GG. I'm in at 60. My stop on this is 44, so risking actually quite a bit more than I'd like to risk. But staying small, not getting that full size. This one would have actually, if you would have taken this trade instead of that ABX, this would have stopped you out. Buy signal has the low of the day priced in, and then there was a new low made at 39. But trying it anyway, just because of how strong the market is, it should help anything that was really selling off there in the open. But staying small, just due to the fact that I don't want to risk that much. Alright, got my 10 cents on this, so free trade now. Let's see what it does. Market's still basically pushing higher, ticks positive. A lot of stocks making new highs, but let's see if this thing works. So break even stop on here, free trade. Pretty simple now. I got myself 15, 16 cents, and I'll get flat if this thing comes back into the 70. The market's pulling in a little bit. Just took mine. So a little 10-cent trade. There was a lot more risk, but I have to follow my profit taking rules, and would have gave us 20 cents right here. I was a little bit stubborn. I'm not stubborn, I follow the rules, so it's fine. And it's going a lot higher. I should have known. Alright, this buy signal came up on this Disney. It's pretty tight, like as you can see here on the 5. Just getting small because of the price I'm getting. Yeah, I think it's gonna go right away. It's one of those, so that's why I just got small and got in right away. My price is at 12. Ideal entry is 07, and we have to give it till the whole number 32. So let's see if this works right away the way I think it is. I believe it's gonna pop through the highs, even through the previous day's high too. So anyway, I'll update this one, and let's see, maybe I'll even get a I'll get that fill at 07. I'll have a lot more shares in. Alright, just got fill there and put my stop in right at the whole number. And let's see what happens here. And it's starting to look a little bit worse. Got a negative tick reading, ticker alert, basically all red. So not really looking good here. Alright, things are back to looking better. Seems like on this one on Disney there's a lot of support at 3205. It just really doesn't seem to want to crack that number. There's a lot of stock being sucked in right there. Anyway, I'll update you guys. Almost up 10 cents. Could call it a free trade pretty soon. Alright, market's trying to push right here. Almost getting that 10 cents. Just waiting for an 08 print. 18, I mean. 1.8. A lot of stocks making new highs again. Let's see if my stock does that. Let's see some of these stocks making new highs. Alright, I got my 10 cents on Disney. I see it up here. Let's see if it runs back to the highs. Maybe goes through there. That'd be through the previous day's high. But as of now, this is a free trade for me. Risking very little. It's an 8-cent risk. Alright, we're right at that high. Let's see if it goes through this time. Alright, very strong tick reading. A lot of stocks again making new highs. Market is pushing right up on that high. Very strong tick. It's over 1,000. There we go. Market new highs right through the 15-minute high. Come on, Disney. Let's go. Anyway, I'll update here. Alright, market's pushing up very strong. This Disney's kind of fizzling out. I think it still has the potential to go. That's why I'm not taking that 10-cent profit. But I will get break even if it comes in. So we got our fast line here at 10. It should hold that, if anything. Alright, actually just got stopped out of the Disney. It's not really a problem. It was just basically in the wrong one, it seems. It was a free trade. That's how it ended up. It'll probably still end up popping, but no emotions in this one. I short this ABX sell signal. I know the market's really strong right now, but this is it's a gold stock. We'll give it to 78. We're short from 76. It's not really a bad price here. So I'll update. Alright, here goes this thing here. It's through the 50-cent number. I want to see it hit 42. So this is basically free trade again. I don't really want to take 10 cents, so I see it giving me a lot more. So I'm going to try to cover cover the 42 and see if this thing goes back down to the, maybe to that whole number. I didn't really want to take the 10 cents here. Might be forced to. The market's coming in now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take it off here. Anyway, pretty good trade, and didn't follow the rules to the T, but there was a 20-cent profit potential there that I didn't take off. It was a low at 45. I had a 65 average, so there was my 20 cents. Real quick. Anyway, I'll update you guys. Pretty much got our 10 cents here, so gonna call it a free trade. My stop is moved back up to 72. I give it to 73. Let's see, might even take a stop here, but it's a free trade. And took the stop, no problem. So, well, let's get on to the next one. Alright, got a long GG. It might even print a sell signal, but it was a buy signal a little while back, 6 minutes ago. So my stop's out there at 73. Got a pretty good entry. I'm not risking more than 10 cents on this one. So it's my ideal type of trade. Let's see, the sell signal might pop up here and it might print, so I'll be closing this one out if it prints. We'll know in about 5 seconds. And it's gonna print, so I'm out of there. Lost a little bit, but no big deal. Our next trade setup here got long this rig. I'm playing it strictly off the buy signal. There's there's a price level down here at the whole number, but I'm disregarding that. I'm just putting my stop a penny below the low of the signal candle, and I'm almost at my price targets here. 54 would be 20 cents. So I'm actually going to sell half right there. Market's really strong right now, so just about everything and their mother are bouncing. So should be getting filled here. There we go. So 500 left. Let's see where this thing wants to go. The market's at new highs, so like I said, everything is bouncing. I'm just going to take mine off right there. I'm not going to be greedy. So nice and easy trade right there too. Almost 30 cents really quick. So let's see what else is out there. And to be honest, I was having difficulty just trying to find something to buy because the ticker alert's going crazy to the upside. My tick is very strong on the upside there, so I was just fiending to find something, and even to find this one was pretty difficult. So I might not have anything for a while. I've been looking through stuff, and they're pretty much a lot of them are extended to the upside. So we might just be waiting for reversal signal on the SPYs. We have a strong uptrend going here, or I might just call it a day. It's almost 11. I've reached a nice profit, and I haven't even traded that much, just 20,000 shares. It's not really a lot. So anyway, I'll be back with something else, or I might just call it a day. Alright, found another one here. I'm gonna get in, but small. Just things aren't really lining up perfectly. So average is 47. Gonna give it to the high. Actually, things are starting to look just a little bit better. Ticker's starting to get red, and we do have reversal on the SPY as well. So just not gonna get crazy, you know, crazy size. Staying pretty small. And give it a penny above that high. So my average here is 46, and I'll update you guys. Looks good though, and not lined up perfectly as far as the ticker. So you can see there's still some stocks making new highs. The markets though have given reversal signal. We're almost up 10 cents on this, so not even gonna be any risk on this if we get there. Get a 36 print. Ticker is, I mean, the ticks are negative currently, and there we got our 10 cents, so free trade, no risk on here. I'll give it to 47. Let's see if the market's really reverse here. I need my tick to stay negative. As you can see, the ticker alert is still showing a lot of green. But we've been waiting for some kind of reversal on the markets, not just me, but I'm sure other traders or market participants, whatever you want to call them. Could have taken profits here at 10 cents. Got a low of 30. Yeah, could have taken it. I'm gonna let it ride though. We don't have that many shares. It's not gonna hurt my day. And markets are pulling in. Let's see if this is real or not. Almost got 20 cents. New 5-minute candle here, and it's bouncing. I'm gonna get out. So nice little trade. Walked you through basically the whole trade right there. Not that this can't go lower. I could have left to stop everything at break even. But that's it. So we're gonna call it a day right here. It's a pretty nice day. Interesting trading as always. I'm happy to be able to give you guys a video in this volatile trading environment. There we go. We would have got our 20 cents there. That's okay. So I'm gonna try to also get another video out for you guys tomorrow, Friday, if the platform here lets me. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video as always. If you guys like what you see in the videos, please donate. Simply click the donate button and then click here, this donate button, and it'll take you to PayPal and send in a donation. You know, if you guys are using the blog, if you guys are learning from the videos, donations are appreciated. Also, if you have any questions, just click the contact button. Fill out the form, and I'll probably get back to you in an hour, usually the same day. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for everything. Thank you.